CopperCAM software. Now open CopperCAM software provided in the Makerspace computer and open your Gerber and drill file for making the G-code. You can edit your design a little bit. After importing all the layers of your design, align them. Click on Set Contours for calculation of tracks and pads. In 2-layer PCB, you need one extra G-code file for centering holes. Save the layer-wise G-code by clicking on Mill option from the top.